Curry powder for all the vegetables. I have taken in this cup half cup white tea, half cup raw rice. Any rice you can take. Same cup, quarter cup tur dal, quarter cup chana dal or Bengal dal, red chilli 12 to 15, curry leaves 1 cup, half teaspoon pepper, asafoetida. First I'll dry roast the red chilli and hing. Now I'm adding red chilli. Now the chilli fried nicely and transfer it to the plate. Adding rice. It should be hot, not too much. You should not fry too much. Now the rice becomes hot. Adding chana dal or Bengal dal, quarter cup, tur dal, pepper, fry. Till become hot. It should not become too much brown. Now the dals and rice fried nicely. I am adding til, curry leaves and fry for 1 minute till the til crackles. Everything fried nicely. I am switching off the gas and transferring to the plate. After cooling down, I'll grind to a coarse powder in mixie. When it has cooled down, I add it to the mixie. First I added red chilli and the other item. Now I'm grinding to a coarse powder. Adding asafoetida and mixing it nicely. Now the curry powder is ready. You can use it for all vegetables. Thank you for watching.